Hey guys, today we'll be discussing about VCAR tools. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for VCARD tools. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, you can also enable automatic future installation from here as well. But right now, we will be just moving forward towards our specific subaccount, that is location 1. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Let's move forward towards the agency level. It takes a while. In the meantime, we can discuss the next step, that is moving forward towards the subaccount level on which we have installed vCard tools. As you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose location 1 now. Here we are on our subaccount level, and here we have to move forward towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on the actions are working correctly or not. You can find for the automations from here in the navigation bar, and you can find for the create a workflows and start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder, and let's just check what vCard tools is providing us, what value is providing vCard tools for our automations. Here it is. Let's just create a vCard. That's the only action available, but it is worth it. You have to enter the basic information and enter your email. Let's just enter a test to set an example right now. Save the whole, and now we'll be testing our workflows. Run this test and head towards the execution logs now. As you can see, the action is executed now successfully. Isn't that easier? It is. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.